Hello,
Hello, teacher.
welcome back. Okay, so can you continue reading?
Yeah, other people say that school should stop giving homework to students. First, students already study a lot. They go to school for many hours each day, so when they are at home, they should do something fun and active. This will help them to feel happier. Second, teacher usually give easy homework to their students. Doing easy homework is not helpful because students don't learn anything.
Okay, okay, so let's answer the question using the information from the passage we've just read. So, number one, why do teachers give homework? Why do teachers give homework?
Can I see the paragraph?
Okay,
Because homework is helpful, students learn many things each week.
okay, because homework is helpful. Good. So, why do students need a chance to review what they have learned, what they learn?
Because students will forget what they learn, so we need to do homework to change to review what they learn.
Okay, good. So, why does homework help students to learn more? Why?
Can I see the paragraph?
Okay, but I needed you to think about it and tell me why do you think, apart from the paragraph, apart from the the passage we've just read, can you think about something? Why is it important that to give assignment? Why does homework help students to learn, David? Okay, I think the reason why homework helps students to learn is because they are going to research on the internet, on the textbook, and it will help them to learn a lot, and it will also help them expand their knowledge concerning the homework. It will help them to gain more vocabularies, more words, and also try to understand and improve in their thinking and reasoning. Okay? Hello, David.
Yes.
So can you tell me in your own why does homework help students to learn? Can you tell me why?
I think some homework are very difficult and they need and students need to get information from many sources to do the homework so they can learn a lot of new things.
Okay, that's good. So please, David, I want you to always sit up whenever we're having class, okay? So I can see you. I can see you, okay? David, good. You have to show your face. Just like you can see me, I need to also see you. Okay, so let's talk about the question four. Why should students do something fun and activity at home instead of doing homework?
Because students go to school and students go to school many hours a day. So after school, students often very tired, so they need to do something fun and active to relax instead of doing homework.
Good one. Okay, so why is it not helpful for students to do easy homework? Why is it not helpful for students to do easy homework?
Because uh, easy homework can make students think, so difficult homework helps students to think more so
That's
they
correct.
can learn.
That's correct. Because when you have an easy homework, something that you already know, you're not going to research, you can just use your head and do the assignment. And that will stop you from gaining new knowledge. Because if the assignment is difficult, it will make you to research in different sources. You can use your textbook, you can use your Google to research. You can use so many sources to research so you can be able to do the assignment, and that will give you so many information. You'll learn new vocabularies, new ideas, and it will make it more easier for you. So, so let's look at these vocabularies. We have actually, improve, independence, research, and review. Do you know the meaning of review?
Yes,
Okay, what is the meaning of review?
watch or learn against something.
Okay, good. So what about research?
Uh, Research is we get information from internet or from many sources.
Good. Okay, then independent.
Dependent is not depend on us, not depend on people or
Mm,
someone.
okay, not depending on people or someone, being able to do things on your own without people's help. Okay, what about improve?
Improve is make something better.
Okay, what about actually? What about the word actually? Okay, should I help you? Actually means something that is the truth, or let's say the fact, something that is the
Oh,
truth or the fact. When you say that's the fact, that's the truth.
yes, I see.
Okay. So, so answer the question from number one to number five, choosing the correct answer from this box to fit in. So number one, can you tell me what is the answer?
If you are if you're an independent person, you do things in your own way.
Okay. Independent. Okay, then number two.
If you research about something, you find information about it.
Sorry, number two. If or when.
You when you do research about something, you find information about it.
Okay. When you research. Okay, then number three. Number three.
We want to know what actually happened that night.
Good. We want to know what actually happened. Actually, the truth, the real thing that happened, the truth of the thing that happened. Okay. So you've seen the meaning of actually. Okay, the number four.
Have some time to review what you have learned.
Okay, have some time to review what you've learned. Okay, the number five.
When you improve something, it gets better.
Good. When you improve something, it get better. So that's correct. Independent. If you are independent person, you do things on your own. When you do research about something, you find information about it. We want to know what actually happened last night, that night. Have some time to review what you've learned. When you improve something, it get better. Okay, correct. That's nice. Okay, so take a moment, 1 minute, and answer the supporting opinion, supporting that we should do or not do.
Um, Homework can help students to learn important facts because they have time to review the information at home. The homework is good way to learn because students can study at their own pace. Homework boosts stress
Hold
on
on.
many students.
Please hold on. Please hold on. Okay, sorry.
One
Number one is what?
B, one B,
Okay.
two A,
Okay. And
three homeworks boosts stress on many students because they may not understand how to do the homework. 3D
okay. Okay.
homeworks stop children from learning social cues because they spend too much time sitting at a desk by themselves.
Okay. Let us see. All right. Homework can help students learn important facts because they have time to review the information at home. Okay. Homework is a good way to learn because students can study at their own pace. Homework puts stress on many students because they may not understand how to do the homework. Homework stops children from learning social skills because they spend too much time sitting at a desk by themselves. Okay, that's correct. Nice one. Got the answer. So let's look at the refuting opinion. Take a moment, 1 minute, and answer the refuting opinion.
Mm, Students, if students do not do their homework, they will forget the things they learn.
Okay.
Mm, I don't think so. Students usually try to remember important facts while they are in class.
Okay.
Homework helps students to become independent learners. I disagree. Many students just find something from the internet and copy it.
Okay. Okay.
Uh, ho- Homework pushed on children who don't understand. I disagree. If students don't understand their homework, they can ask their teacher for extra help. Children should play outside instead of doing their homework. I don't think so. Doing homework is important.
Sorry, number three is
Important.
what? C?
3B,
Okay.
3B,
Mhm.
4D,
Are
4D.
they? Okay. All right. If students do not do their homework, they will forget the things they learn. I don't think so. Students usually try to remember important facts while they are in class. Homework helps students to become important learners. I disagree. Many students just find something from the internet and copy. Homework puts stress on students, on children who don't understand. I disagree. If children don't understand their homework, they can ask their teachers for extra help. Children should play outside instead of doing their homework. I don't think so. Doing homework is an important thing, important part of student life. Okay, got the answers correctly. Nice one. Okay, so let's read the supporting opinion.
Um, Teachers should give homework to their students. First, homework improves students' learning. Class time is too short to learn many things. However, at home, students have time to memorize facts. This will help them to get good, good scores on their test. Second, homework can teach students how to organize their time. They can learn to focus on their work, learning to use the time well will really help students when they try to get a job.
Okay. Okay, so tell me, what is the main idea? Can you point out the main idea supporting the opinion?
Teachers should give homework to their students. First, homework improves students' learning.
Improve student learning. Sorry, I can. Okay. 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 Can you give the second point supporting the opinion?
Homework can teach students how to organize their time.
Okay. Okay, so can you give your own point from your own understanding? David, can you tell
Yeah.
me from your own understanding, what do you have to support? What do you have to use
Um,
to support this opinion?
I think homework can make children more uh, intelligent and have homework is can help them to it can help them understand more.
Okay, that's correct. Okay, David, you did an amazing job today. So we're going to stop here. In the next class, we continue with the opposing opinion. Okay, so good to have you today. See you next week, David. Bye-bye.
Teacher.